my God, free money!
I can't believe this is happening. This is amazing.
Y'all see this? This is an actual USPS claim that I filed, and it's been approved. That's real money and not some random glitch. I got paid because I let ChatGPT handle the whole process. This is an updated version of my original video. New proof, new results, and the same step-by-step that anyone can use. All it will cost you is less than 5 minutes of your time to save shitloads of money. Let's go. Welcome back, YouTube. AI Resell Nerd here. If you're into e-commerce, you're gonna face the inevitable. Items stuck in transit, items delayed, packages damaged, packages prematurely being scanned as delivered, which usually leads to a buyer filing an item not received dispute. It throws us into a frenzy.
Where's my package?
Where's my package?
Where's my damn package?
And before, we would just refund the buyer and move on, especially if it was a low-ticket item. But now, the game has changed. AI automation is here to save the day.
USPS claim filed successfully.
I instructed ChatGPT to file a USPS missing package claim, and it crushed the process. Hi, I'm Jay. I'm a family man, a full-time caregiver, and I've been selling on eBay for over a decade. And now I'm using AI to hustle smarter, faster, and way less stressful. And I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. AI is evolving, and so is the hustle. We're not guessing anymore. We're calculating. All right, we're jumping right into this USPS missing package claim process. I've already got my prompt preloaded. Here's a screenshot of it. You can extract the text from this using ChatGPT if you need to reuse or edit it for your own claims. Just screenshot, upload, extract, and modify it to fit your own situation. Along with the prompt, I attached a couple screenshots from the eBay order page. Things like the shipping date, item value, and recipient's address. It's basically all the pertinent info USPS needs to verify the claim. After I submit the prompt, GPT spins up the session. It starts by analyzing the screenshot and extracting all the important info for the USPS claim. No typing on my end. Then I'll be prompted to take over the session and log into USPS. I enter in my credentials manually, hit finish control, and hand back the session over to GPT. And here's where the fun starts. From here, GPT takes over completely. It enters in the tracking number, shipping date, and begins the missing package claim process automatically. I could walk you through every process it takes, but honestly, it's self-explanatory. GPT displays this entire thought process and walks through every form field. It selects all the right options and fills in all the info from my screenshots and prompts. It's freaking crazy how accurate it is. And the most impressive part, when it gets to the section where the proof of value is required, GPT locates the screenshot that I provided with the price and automatically uploads it to the claim. And once it's done, it submits the claim automatically on my behalf. But if you go through this process, you should review and submit your claim manually. But in my case, I monitored the whole session and made sure everything was good to go. Once submitted, GPT gives me a clean confirmation page and even takes a screenshot for my records. You get a full summary of what was completed. No guesswork, no missteps. And that's a wrap. If you found this information helpful, do me a solid. Like, comment, and subscribe. I've got more heat coming real soon that's going to blow past everything I've shown you so far. And I'd like to hear from you. What part of the resale game would you like automated? Drop it in the comments and I might build it in the next video. AI Resell Nerd, out.